1789, and they were not satisfied with the constitution made in 1791 by the National Assembly, because the constitution of 1791 gave political rights only to the richer section of the society. So richer section means the men, those who were paying taxes, only they were given the right to votes, and all the non taxpayers and women were denied to right to vote. So again, the constitution of 1791 was not fully democratic constitution, and that is why a large section of the people were not satisfied with that that constitution. And such type of discussions were going on again on the public at the public places. People were discussing about their rights, they were asking for their rights, and in the meantime a political clubs came into existence. Political clubs, a type of a group of people where they were discussing over the political issues. So out of those political clubs, one successful club was Jacobin Club. It was one of the political club, and it became the most popular political club there in France, and this club got its name from the former convent of Saint Jacobs in Paris. Convent children, this is a building belonging to a community devoted to a religious life. Convent basically related to the church life where the religious activities take place. Such buildings or offices or places are considered as a convent. So Jacobs basically were belonging Saint Jacob in Paris, and in this way this club came into existence, and here they were discussing over the political issues and making the government policies and planning their own form of actions, means how they could take action against the government. So in this way there was the formation of Jacobin Club. The members of the Jacobin clubs belong to the non-prosperous section of society. Non-prosperous, basically in this club the members were from the small shopkeepers family, artisans, shoemakers, pastry and pastry cooks, like this. Means most of them were surviving on the daily wage earning. So they were not prosperous, they were non-prosperous. Their leader was Maximilien Robespierre. Robespierre, did you know? He was one of the journalists there in France, but the leader was as a servant. The leader was Maximilien Robespierre. By profession he was one of the journalists, and he was quite aware about the happenings, and he had a liberal attitude, and that is why he wanted to support the non-prosperous section of the society, and he took the responsibility to make changes in the political system. So in this way the power went into the hands of this Robespierre. Children, the members of the Jacobin clubs started wearing long striped trousers, unlike dock workers. Dock workers, did you know? Dock workers are the people those who work there on the ports, sea ports, where they load and unload the ships. So such they wear a specific type of dresses. So in the same way the members of the Jacobin clubs also started wearing the dress like them, and to wear the dress like them there was a reason, as they want to proclaim the end of the power of the nobles who wore knee breeches, means they want to keep them away from the nobles basically belonging to the royal families. They were the rich aristocrats, and they were involved in fashionable society, so they were wearing knee breeches. Nowadays you are wearing dresses you are wearing, so up to knee they were wearing the dresses.